What's up guys, I'm Steve, welcome to the channel. Today we need to build the exhaust for the RX7, so the Christmas shipping has finally caught up and we've got the back box. So car's on the ramp, Liam's in there pissing about. He's shit the bed today, so he's finally made it down with us. So yeah, car's on the ramp, so let's get the exhaust built. Flat battery now because I left that one. It would be rude not to start over without an exhaust, wouldn't it? Just got fucking 2 hours of this in. So the exhaust probably took us 5 hours to make. Finally finished. So it would have been quicker if we use like pre-bent bits, but because we're using pie cuts, you can keep it like closer to the car and it tucks in a lot nicer. and to be honest I can probably do with the practicing on the welding anyway. So no hangers on it yet, so I'm going to weld it up, put it on the car, because if it moves around a bit when I weld it, then I don't want the hangers to be out of place. So I'm going to weld that up. Liam's changed his mind and is now putting the S2000 back together. His balls have shriveled up and he's decided to sell it.
It's gotta go.
So yeah, he bought a lemon of a 280, so he's got us a year's worth of work on that. So yeah, S2000 is going back together, and if you're after an S2000 shell, that's your man. He's selling one. Right, somewhere welding. Right, exhaust finished. 10 days ago we started it, and what a pain in the dick because the gas went out, and then when we took the gas bottle back to get a new one, we got given 2 empty ones. So massive ball ache, but yeah, fucking finished.
Done.
So
yeah, so next up then, we get the car, we'll take it round onto the ramp, we'll offer the exhaust up, mock up some hangers for it, and then that's it. Should be finished, complete.
But first, that's the hangers finished. So what we got to do now? Whack it back on.
Yeah, that's it. So she's on the car now. Everything's back together, mounted.
10 hours?
About 10 hours in it, something like that. Yeah. So
4 hours chasing gas.
we'll give you a startup video. It's not the first startup, we have to admit, because we've got it off the ramps, but it's near enough, so I'll let you listen. So much quieter.
Definitely a lot more acceptable. But at least it's still got a screamer pipe, so that when it's on boost, it's loud as fuck.
Yeah.
Might be able to use the car without waking the kids up. Thanks for watching. That is it finished. Congratulations if you made it this far. It's been dragged out for me as well. Next up will be the Datsun.
The rusty old Datsun. Yeah.
So what are we doing on that?
Next time we'll be sorting the intercooler on the Datsun. We found some 90-degree elbows in it, so that should be interesting. So
got some rag treats on that, haven't we?
yeah, so we got something good for you. So stay tuned, and then yeah, catch you on the next episode.
Perfect.